Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Honda CRF125F. This is the big wheel version, so it's got the 19 on the front, 16-inch on the back, electric start, 4-stroke, green sticker. Bike's in fantastic shape. Come on by. Make your youth dirt bike dreams come true for just $30.99. This thing is more fun than a bear full of monkeys. Come on by. It's not going to be here long. $30.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.